How to fix messenger could not send message problem, messenger could not send messages problem. If you're having this problem, if you have any device and are you looking this problem guys, when you will chatting or when you will guys texting some person guys, that message will be guys not sending, it will be showing guys could not send message problem. Are you facing this problem in your Android device or your guys Apple device? In this video I will show you how you can fix this message could not send problem error. In this video I will fix this problem. So let's start the video. First of all guys, if you're facing this problem, then what to do here I will show you. So the first setting is you have to open your mobile settings. After opening the mobile settings, now guys simply guys you have to search here apps option. After searching the apps option, now simply you have to search here messenger application from search bar. Simply open the search bar and search messenger application. So here will be opening the messenger application, it will be showing here. Now you have to search here messenger application. After searching you have to simply here will become messenger application. Now simply you have to make here this storage and clear cache option. Now simply click here. After clicking this option, now simply guys what to do here I will show you. So simply guys you have to here make it here clear cache option have. Now simply you have to do it clear cache. If you remember your messenger account, then simply you have to make it clear storage. After making this option, now guys simply go to mobile data and Wi-Fi option, and simply you have to turn off this background data and turn on this background data. Then after disable your data use messenger application, and after turn off this disable. Now simply go to back, click the back option. Now simply go to back. Now open in Play Store and simply search here messenger application. After searching the messenger application, if there any update showing, now guys simply update your messenger application from your app store. If you have Apple device, then guys simply go to Apple device in app store and simply update your messenger application and reinstall your messenger application. If you have Android, then do this setting clear cache and clear data, and simply I will show that disable your messenger data and simply enable, and simply go to Play Store and simply search your messenger application and simply update your messenger application. After updating a messenger application, now you can see guys I will messaging some person. You can see here I will sending the message. Now my message is now sending. You can see it will be sending the now message. I will not facing any problem, could not. So my problem is solved. Make sure guys this video is helpful to you and subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.